So guys, Andrew Tate has just called out America for its complete degeneracy. So it started off by saying, "Why am I seeing bring back the draft from boomers today? We had entire generation fight in Iraq and Afghanistan for almost 20 years for nothing. No one is signing up to fight another pointless war so geriatrics in Congress can get rich on ball profiteering. Fi all of you." Now Andrew went ahead and responded saying, "If you don't slaughter the illiterate farmers in Huacaresistan with the most advanced military equipment known to man, how you have the freedom to watch your kids get sex changes." Now what a savage response from Andrew, even though it's just a reply.
Why do you think he won?
I think he won because I actually thought, until Corona, that there were people out there in the world with half a brain. I think people were tired of the political elite. Nobody wants Biden. Go down the street. You say, do you want Biden or you just not like Trump? And if they're programmed to go, oh, well, I didn't like Trump. But no one's like, yes, Joe Biden. Nobody wants him. His rallies were empty. Nobody wanted him.